Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, it's my brother's birthday and I'm gonna bake him a cake. Starting with almond flour, cocoa, mix it, baking soda, salt, eggs time. Maple syrup. Cold maple syrup. That's what it's called, cold maple syrup. Water, vanilla, mix, put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Turn this so it's right here, and pour without spilling, and then we're going to mix, maybe with this. I put it on hard. Mixing. Wanda, how to cake it. Check out how to cake it. It's one of my favorites. It's on YouTube. Pan, please. I'm gonna ask my mom to put the cakes in the oven, and then I'm gonna clean this up. It's a mess. And then we're gonna start with the frosting. When the cakes are ready, we're going to frost them. When the frosting is ready. Be right back. Calls for coconut oil, but we decided to use palm shortening. Perfect. I need help. Nope. Clean. We have our chocolate. We're going to add maple syrup without the cream. We're going to add maple syrup. Maple syrup. Maple syrup. Maple syrup. Maple syrup. Maple syrup. Just hit it. Spatula. Stir. Do you want to subscribe? Subscribe now. Life with the Goddards. Give it a big thumbs up, or if you don't like it, you can give it thumbs down or no. And please give me a like on my makeup video because I have tons of likes. I have tons of views. How many views do I have?
115.
What? I'm shocked. Be right back. We're back. Now we're ready for frosting. It's almond butter that my mom made. We're going to add a little bit of almond milk. Add the rest of the milk and mix some more. All of it.
Hi, Rebecca here. I just wanted to hop on real quick to say, first of all, that Samantha did an amazing job on this cake, and I am so proud of her. Second, I wanted to comment on the taste of the cake. Did my kids like it? Not really. But it wasn't because of the cake itself, it was because of the frosting. The frosting was kind of bitter. So we made the cake again without the frosting, and it was amazing. We gobbled it up. So if you want something paleo to satisfy your sweet tooth, try this cake. Just maybe not the frosting.
That's our cake. We did it. We finished it. Subscribe and like. Thanks for watching. Happy birthday, Chance. Happy birthday.
Don't let him go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Chansey. Happy birthday to you. Blow them all out. Blow them all out again.
Come on, you can do it.
He's blowing upwards. Okay, get the other one.
Keep going. Keep
Come on, you got
going.
2 more.
Keep going.
Yay! Thank you so much for watching our video. We're so glad you decided to stop by. If you want to see other videos like this one, check out these. Also, be sure to hit the subscribe button so you're aware of any new videos.